Tirol in Austria, and it's our annual ski vacation, and the sun is already shining in my face, and I think it's gonna be a really beautiful day today. So I'm so excited to hit the slopes, and we've never been here, so I have no idea how the ski area will be, but I hope it's gonna be good, and I'm excited for today.
Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset, man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
It's now day 2 here, and yesterday was already really exhausting. I fell a few times and kinda fell on my neck, so that's hurting today, which is not so good. But fortunately the weather is still good today, so we can go skiing again. But I hope it won't be too exhausting with my neck hurting, and also my feet are already kinda hurting. Because the snow yesterday was really heavy because it was so hot outside and it was melting. So that was also really exhausting, and I hope today is gonna be a little bit better, but we'll see.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky.